Hello, welcome to Healthylivingfitter channel with Florence Straka. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a simple smoothie with banana, plum, and guava juice. That's what we'll be using in this video. And so just stay tight as I put everything together and we're gonna taste and see how it comes out. So I will see you, stay put. Okay, so today I am going to make the smoothie that we are going to be making. I'm going to be using these very ripe bananas. I'm just going to use one banana today because that's only for me. So just take one. See how ripe it is. It's just even falling off. When you have all these colored on there, doesn't mean that the banana is bad. It just means that it's very, very ripe and it's going to be very sweet as well. So this is what we'll be using today. And I am going to just take this skin off. You can see how soft it is. And I like to take all the string, everything off. And if you see there is something black in here, that's okay. That doesn't mean it's bad. It's just so ripened. So I am going to use this. Just cut it. Okay, so that is in the blender. The next thing I'm going to do is the plum. I've already washed this, and make sure every time you want to use any produce of fruit, make sure you have it washed nicely in either in a vinegar water or a salted water, because that helps to take all the pesticide, anything that they might use to grow the vegetables or the fruit. That will take it all off, all the bacteria that will be on the fruit. It will take it off. I like to use organic, anything that I can see fruits produced in organic. Sometimes you don't get those, so that's fine. If you get the regular one, just make sure you wash them nicely and that will be good for you to use. So I'm going to take the skin off. You can see this is really very, very soft because I had this for almost a week. I bought it. It was hard. It wasn't soft at all. But because I want to use it in my smoothie, I let it sit for 5 days, almost a week. So you can see it is very, very soft. And I'm thinking it's going to make the smoothie very sweet with the banana. Since we are not going to add any sweetness to it, for my smoothies, I don't like to add anything else. I just like to use the fresh as it comes. That's all I use. I don't use anything else. And you can see it is very soft and it has a little seed in here and it is juicy. And you can cut this on your board. Just be careful whenever you are using a knife like this. I am used to using my hands with knife, so just be careful when you are trying to use this. Okay, so now that this is done, just gonna wash. All right, so now that this is done, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use a guava juice. I always either use orange grapes juice or a guava juice or cran pomegranate juice. Mostly I like to make my own juice, so whenever I don't get the chance to make my own juice, then I will use guava juice or cran pomegranate because of the vitamins that it is, the healthy properties that contains in those juice, especially the guava and then the cran pomegranate juice. So I like to use those. So today we are just going to use this, which is the guava juice, and I'm going to pour 1.5 cup. So it will make the smoothie a little bit lighter for us. You can add more as you wish, but for me 1.5 glass of juice should be enough, or 2 glass mostly. So I'm going to pour this on here. Covers it nicely, and I am going to cover this and we're just going to blend. Oh wow, and as you can see, take this off. Oh my goodness, you can see the texture, the color has changed because of the plum has changed the color, and it gives us a nice color, and the texture is good too. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pour this in my little container that I use for my smoothies, and I am going to pour this in here. Oh my goodness, I can smell the guava juice that we use, and you can see that is so amazing. Oh my goodness, look at that. And that looks so delicious. You can see the texture, the smoothie and everything. And we are going to give a taste for this, and I'll tell you exactly how this tastes like. But this is so nice, smooth. Have this for breakfast, you know, or just refreshing. So we are going to taste this. All right, so we just finished making our smoothie, banana, plum, and guava juice for our smoothie today, and I am going to give it a taste to see how it comes out. So just wait until I tell you. Okay. It is so light. The guava juice, I taste that. I taste the plum. The plum has like a little tart taste to it, and then the banana, everything blend nicely together. And because we add like a glass, 1.5 glass of the guava juice to it, it makes it lighter. It's not that thick. But if you want it thicker than this, then you have to just make 1 glass of the juice, whatever juice you use. You don't really have to use only the guava juice. You can use orange juice. You can use grape juice, any juice that you like. You can use that to blend this. For me today, I just want to use the guava juice with it to see how it comes out. So just try any juice you want to make it your own. And so this is really good for breakfast. It can be for evening refreshing, afternoon refreshing. It doesn't matter what time of the day it is. This is anytime, anywhere you can drink this. And it's made from home, so you know exactly what is in here. You made it yourself the way you want it and you enjoy it. So that's how I like it. That's why I'm so much in love with making my smoothies, making my own juice to make my smoothies, because I like it that way. It's homemade. It's nurtured. I nurtured it myself, so I enjoy it. So I hope you can make this at home yourself, and just leave a comment in the comment section below for me to see how yours came out. What kind of juice did you use to mix it with yours? You can add more ingredients to this. You can add, whatever you want to this. I just choose to use today banana and plum with the guava juice. So make it your own and let me know how yours came out. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and also like, share, and comment. Hit that notification button so you'll be notified whenever I make my new experiment videos of smoothies or juicing or anything at all that I'll make on this channel. So I thank you for staying throughout this video. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and keep making smoothies and juicing, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.